Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to activate YouTube Shorts and start watching now. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your YouTube. Now press on your account and go to settings. Go to general. Here you can see the option of playback in feeds. If you want to activate YouTube Shorts and start watching now, you just have to press here always on. That's it. So this is how to activate YouTube Shorts and start watching now. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.